In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to download YouTube videos onto your computer without paying for YouTube Premium. As you know, if you had to download a video, you normally have to pay for YouTube Premium, and well, that sucks. What you can do instead is download these free programs, YouTube DLP and FFmpeg for merging the video. I'll put links to those down in the description. Once you've downloaded those, continue the video. So what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and open up a command prompt in this window. As you can see, open it up into videos. The next thing you're going to do is find the video that you want. And we're just going to use one of my older videos as an example. So we'll go ahead and I'm going to copy this command I have pre-saved. I'll put that down in the description as well, but I recommend looking at their GitHub page to see all of the different flags you can use. Alright, so we'll just copy and paste that in. You can see we're calling YouTube DLP. And you can see we've got it set up so it grabs the best video and the best audio and then formats it into one. Now this part only works if you have FFmpeg installed. If you don't want to install it, there's other options you can use. You can find those on their GitHub page. So once you've got that in, you throw a space on, grab your video URL that you want to download, and we'll paste that in so it looks something like that. And now we play the waiting game. Boom, there you go. It has downloaded it very quickly, and it has merged the formats. Let's open it up and take a look. All right, as you can see, we've downloaded it, copies the title. Let's see, here we go. Now let's open it up in Adobe, or let's actually open it up in VLC, and just make sure that it's the highest quality format available. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to play Flash games in 2022. Autoplay. So let's check the settings. You can see we got 1080p 60 is our highest quality available here. Now let's drag VLC over here and see what we can do. We'll go to Tools, Media Information, which opens on the other window for some reason. And you can take a look at the codec, 1920 by 1080, perfect. And 60 FPS, just like the video on YouTube. That's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.